This is Chris Whalen, CPA, and welcome to the Street Level Business Podcast. Please excuse this frog in my throat. My firm specializes in business and income tax matters for businesses and families and offers the full array of services you would expect from a full-service CPA firm. If you look at your screen, you will see my website and phone number, both great ways to reach me. There is also a great text version of this memo. If you're listening to this on my blog page, you will see a link above this video window that says text version. And if you're watching on YouTube, you will see a link in the description to that text version. Today's topic is file your tax returns by April 15th, even if the IRS extends the due date. Now, there has been some talk lately that due to the coronavirus, the IRS may decide to extend the tax deadline beyond the usual April 15th. Now, I have no idea why the virus would cause this, but that isn't important. So if this happens, we are given more time to file our tax returns. That sounds fantastic, right? Well, the IRS does not have a great track record processing returns within the guidelines they have established decades ago. Who would believe that they could accommodate such a dramatic change smoothly and with no negative impact to taxpayers? No one that I know. I can easily see many taxpayers taking advantage of this and filing their tax returns beyond the normal due date of April 15th, and the IRS systems not being updated as promised, flagging millions of these returns for filing late. Trust me, the IRS systems lack the sophistication of the computer systems us civilians use on a daily basis. You would be shocked to learn how old their systems are and how many of them cannot communicate with each other. The IRS does not have the ability, at this late stage of tax season, to update their systems for such a dramatic change in their processing. If you try to take advantage of this promised extended due date and their systems were not updated, it would take years to undo the damage of being erroneously flagged for filing late. So say it with me. Taxes are due April 15th, only 35 days from today, March 11th, 2020. Be smart, because the IRS isn't. This brings us to the end of this edition of the Street Level Business Podcast. Questions, concerns, call me on 732-673-0510. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this podcast informative. Remember, the moment you have a business or tax question is the moment you should be calling me. Have a great day.